This is your second session for your mid-year review. We're going to look at our previous quiz from using models to multiply fractions. Now, what I often find, we do the symbolic, the models in the real world, and a lot of times kids go, yeah, no, I'm not going to do that, and they just do the symbolic. And so we're going to review the actual visual model that we use for multiplying fractions. First, write each multiplication statement as repeated addition. Draw a picture to show each product. So this one is the repeated addition. So 4 times 1, 8. So like if I were to go and do 0 to 1, I can do half, quarters, eighths. So there's my benchmarks. And I can show this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Each jump is 1/8. And that equals 4 times 1/8. This is straightforward as that. So if I were to do another one, I would go 7 times 3/5. Well, I know 7 times 3/5 is going to be a little more than 4, so I'm going to go 0, 5. Cut that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3/5, so I know I have to divide these into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7 times 3/5, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps of 3/5. And that's how you can visually represent it. Multiply, draw a number line to show each product. It's exactly what we were just doing up here. Once again, I just have to make a number line that has the quarters, and I just have to jump them so many times. Draw a rectangle to find each product. So we've got 5/8 times 1/2. So let's see, I'm going to do an 8 by 2. There we go, by 2. Here's my 8 by 2. Now since we're doing 5/8 times 1/2 like this, we're going to shade in 5/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5/8. And then we're going to shade in half of those 5/8. So we have 5/8 times 1/2, or half of those 5/8. Our answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 16 are covered. And sure enough, 5 times 1, 5, 8 times 2, 5/16 are covered. Let's try that with 2/3 times 3/4. We'll bring that over here. So I've got 3 by 4. First, I'm going to shade 2/3 of it. So here's a third, there's a third. Of that 2/3, I'm going to shade 3/4. So here's my 2/3. I'm going to shade 3/4 of it. And what do I have covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12. Or 1/2. And sure enough, let's do this symbolically and see if it works out. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times, did I just put 14? 3 times 4 is 12. Sure enough, we get the 6. And if we simplify it, we go to half. Mr. Ewert, do I need to simplify? Yes, you should always simplify to get your full marks in the end. This one I find interesting, that how many people are able to do this successfully on this quiz, but then they mess up here. So it says, for the picture below, write a math sentence. Well, I see that 2/3 got shaded. So 2/3 were shaded. And then how much of that 2/3 were shaded double? 1/5. This is 2/3 times 1/5, which equals 2 out of 15. 1, 2 are double shaded out of 3 times 5, 15 total. Not many kids catch this, but check out the word question below. ACO says that 2/3 of our stamp collection are Asian stamps. 1/5 of her Asian stamps are from India. What fraction of ACO's stamp collection is from India? Estimate to check the solution is reasonable. Wait a minute. 2/3 of her stamps. So here's her stamps. 2/3 of them are Asian. 1/5 of her Asian stamps are from India. Well, wait a second. Doesn't this look familiar? I hope going over this has helped a little bit. Don't forget you have assigned textbook pages that are just like it, and I wish you very well on your mid-year.